Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. We have a Facebook group site, which you see the link now, plus it will be in the description box listed below. Our February 2023 challenge was to use Story by Stacy Story Deck, which is available at Close to My Heart. The 4 cards that we selected was Friendship, Acronym, Stitching, and Interactive. For my layout number 3, from Friendship, I chose How We Met. Acronym, I chose ILY. Then for Stitching, I chose Stitching. And for Interactive, I have a Hidden Journaling card. Now I'm going to show you the kit that I put together, and of course I made my 4 selections. I chose my photograph. Then you're going to see I have 2 4x6 cards and 1 3x4 cards, and then I have a 12x12 paper for Maggie Holmes, and I have a scrap paper for Maggie Holmes. And the green with the white hearts is from the Marigold collection. And I'm going to show you my branding strip, and it was to remind me as well when I do the voiceover. And then the off-white with the black hearts is from the Flourish collection. Or no, the camera is. And I think the heart pattern paper is as well, but not 100% sure. Then I selected some chipboard pieces from Cartabella that went with the colors. And then I have some alphas that I pre-selected as well that I thought I might use on this layout. This is going to be a super quick layout, very simple and clean. And so I want to make sure to remind you that in the description box below is Kathy and Becky's channel so that you can go see what they created for layout 3 and the last layout for the month of February using their Mini Kit Monday kit. Now back to my layout. I'm using a very thick black pen, and I'm doing my faux stitching on this scrap paper that is approximately 3 inches by 12 inches. I do cut down the white with black hearts about 11 by 11, and I back that to daisy white cardstock, and I cut that just a pencil thin around it. I don't even know the measurement, and I place it on the black cardstock from Close to My Heart. Once I secure down that 3 by 12 inch heart pattern paper that's green with white heart, then I will bring in the pattern, the camera pattern paper, which I matted on daisy white cardstock, and I place that in the center. Then I'm going to bring in my envelope with my hidden journaling, and then I add my acronym in the black with silver foil around it, and that is the ILY. And that will be placed on the left-hand side. And you can see I also brought in my photograph, which I matted that on black cardstock from Close to My Heart. Now I'm adding 2 chipboard pieces from the Cartabella collection. We have that wreath, and right above it, that little chipboard piece says, Love Always. Now I have this film strip washi tape that I am going to use as my placemat for my title, which will be in small little circles. They're kind of puffy, and they're black glitter with white glitter alpha letters. Yes, spit it out, Dolly. And it says How We Met. All right, now real quick, the story of how my husband and I met many years ago. We worked at the same place. We both were previously married. I was actually going through a divorce. I only worked at the place for 5 years. My husband worked at that place, my husband now that I'm married to, for 25 years. Anyway, I left, and we never met up again until 10 years later when he was single. And then the rest is history, which will be documented in my hidden journaling spot. As you can see, I added a small strip of washi tape at the bottom of my photograph, and I added some sequins to the left. I will have still shots coming up, and this layout is complete. I know when people look at this layout, they're going to say, why did you document this? Why do you have this photograph? And it's a reminder of where we both worked a long, long time ago, but actually he worked there for 25 years. All right, here is the still shots. And most of all, get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and document those memories in a fun, creative way and tell that story and give me a thumbs up so we are inspiring people that you and I don't know that is looking for inspiration. And we will see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.